Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. We're having iftar with the Uyghur community.
Wait, Steve. Stop. It's Uyghur.
Uyghur.
Yeah, that's perfect. Oi is the Aussie oi.
Oi. As in Aussie. Yeah.
Ghur as in the Arabic ghurfa, you know ghurfa?
Ghurfa,
Uyghur, yeah. Easy.
Oi.
So it's Aussie and
We're having
Arabic.
iftar with the Uyghur community.
I've got you a gift.
Allah yarda alayk.
So this is Uyghur traditional hat. We call it doppa.
Doppa. MashaAllah. And there's a particular way
Yeah,
to
this
put
is
it on?
handmade. Yeah.
Allahumma barik.
I'll put it on.
Oh yeah, I look good on this, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
Alhamdulillah. Oh, so you have to put the pointy bit at the front. Allahumma barik. I love it. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan.
Wayakum. So this is the soup.
Yeah?
We call it we call it chuchura.
Chuchura.
Yeah.
And what's this dish? Is that like a typical traditional dish?
It's a typical traditional
Is it
dish.
influenced by another country, or is this your?
I mean, food. In my belief, food is they're all cross-cultural. So.
Oh wow.
Yeah. You like it?
MashaAllah,
Yeah.
that's very nice. Yeah. I can have this all day, every day. Allahumma barik. Absolutely beautiful. So we've just had the chuchura. Now we're off to. What do you feel like?
So obviously that's only the start.
Yeah, this
Good
looks like a
things.
Mongolian lamb.
Good things to get. No, that's not Mongolian. Please. Yeah. So this is.
So this one you need a fork.
This is a fork. Obviously, traditionally, it's probably a Chinese influence. And the noodles are handmade, and as you can see, they're stretched
MashaAllah.
thin and long.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And Uyghur is very. It's Uyghur man's favorite dish. That's it. That's not the way you eat it, but
No,
that's
it's
all
not.
right.
It's a little bit silly, but perfect. Oh, this looks like a sambusek.
All right,
But
now
super size.
this
pizza
we
style.
call it guashnan.
What is it?
Guashnan.
Guashnan.
Guashnan, I think it's more of a Farsi term. Gosh means meat in Farsi, and naan is naan bread. So literally it means meat bread. But this is, Uyghur food is very central. It's from the center of Central Asia, and over time it has been influenced by different cultures such as Persian and Arabic culture, Middle Eastern, and Chinese to some extent as well.
This is a massive dumpling.
Yeah, manta. I think Afghans call it mantu, and Turks call it manti. Shukran.
Barakallahu feek. Bismillah. Let's have this. Let's try it. Okay.
So let's move on to the rice. Polo, we call it polo.
Right. So
I think this is very signature cross-cultural dish. You can find it in many cultures.
Yeah.
And traditionally, it's eaten with ham,
Lamb again as well.
lamb again.
So
So idea is, you make
like that.
grab as much, and then you push it with the thumb
Yeah.
towards your mouth as you go. Yeah. I think you did it better than I did. All right, there we go. The last but not the least. This is again lamb. Very similar cut to the other one. We call it qardaq. This is a bit more spicy.
So this is with the bone bar. You got the bone or not? Is that the fat? No, that's the bone.
The bone. Yeah, the bone. Again, Uyghurs are very big on boned meat.
Oh wow. Dilyar, that was awesome iftar. Barakallahu feek. Thanks very much for getting these food prepared for us.
Thank you.
I've learnt a lot about your culture, your country, you, subhanallah. Barakallahu feek. Thanks again.
Wayakum. Thank you very much.
Dilyar, we've prepared a video for our audience from our dearest brother. Let's watch it together, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Hi guys, and Ramadan Kareem. I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves breaking your fast together with friends and family this Ramadan, especially with all that delicious Uyghur food going around all the way from East Turkestan. You guys are truly blessed, because what you guys are doing right now is considered illegal by the Chinese regime. Yeah, fasting, praying, having a bead, wearing a headscarf, going to Hajj, even the Islamic greeting, Assalamu alaikum, is banned by the Chinese regime. I mean, even in the most oppressed lands like Palestine, I know they're going to be practicing Islam freely. Hell, even in Guantanamo Bay, I know for a fact they're going to be fasting and praying in congregation together. So make a special prayer this Ramadan for your Uyghur brothers and sisters who are suffering in the millions in Chinese concentration camps, and the other 35 million Uyghur population who are in an open air prison. Thank you.